Today, we will talk about how to keep away gnats. Let's have a look at the details. While gnats aren't necessarily harmful, they sure are annoying. Luckily, there are lots of ways to trap and exterminate these pests without having to resort to using expensive commercial products. Best of all, most of the supplies you need, you probably already have. Whether you've got an infestation on your hands, you're looking to prevent one from occurring, or you just want simple tips for keeping gnats away from you, keep watching. We've got everything you need to know. The first method is dealing with gnat infestations. Mix apple cider vinegar, water, sugar, and dish soap to trap gnats. Use 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1d2 teaspoon of dish soap, and 1d2 cup of warm water. Combine everything in a small bowl and place it in the infected room. Leave it overnight and clean it out in the morning. Repeat this process as many times as you need. Cover a bowl of mashed banana with plastic wrap to attract gnats. Gnats love rotten fruit, so you can use this to your advantage to trap them. Simply mash up a banana, place it in a bowl, cover the bowl with plastic wrap, and poke little holes in the plastic with the tines of a fork. The gnats will enter through the holes to get to the banana, but won't be able to get back out again. Dilute bleach and pour it down the drains if gnats congregate near them. The diluted bleach should kill any gnats that are living in the drain. Repeat this process daily until you no longer notice any gnats. Spray gnats with a mixture of water, isopropyl alcohol, and dish soap. Whenever you see gnats flying around, spray them with the mixture. They'll drop to the floor and die. Exterminate pests with a candle and a bowl of water. Place a candle in a bowl or on a tray that is partially filled with water. Light the candle, close the curtains, and turn off all the lights. The gnats will be attracted to either the candle or the candle's reflection in the water. The candle itself will burn their wings, while the water will trap them. The second method is removing things that attract gnats. Throw out fruit that has started to rot or keep fresh produce in the fridge. Gnats love fruits that have started to get a little ripe. The sweet smell attracts them by the dozens. Keep your sink clean and clear of dirty dishes. Gnats love moist areas, especially if any food bits are laying around. Make it a goal to wash your dishes or load them into the dishwasher right after you eat. At the least, make sure to clean the dishes and your sink at the end of each day to prevent dirty dishes from attracting gnats. Empty the trash bins in your home daily if there are food scraps in them. The longer old food sits in the trash, the more likely it is to attract gnats. Move potted plants with damp soil outdoors if they're attracting gnats. Set it outside or in a garage or shed for a few days, until the soil starts to dry out. If this doesn't work, you may want to repot your plants in fresh soil. And the third method is keeping gnats away from your body. Keep a scented dryer sheet in your pocket to repel gnats while you're outdoors. Dryer sheets are often scented to smell like lemon balm, geranium, lavender, and other fragrances that repel gnats. Dab on a few drops of vanilla extract before you head outside. It turns out that gnats hate the smell of vanilla. Apply peppermint cream for a minty, natural gnat repellent. Peppermint is another one of those scents gnats just don't like, and you can make your own cream using essential oils and shea butter. Wear sunglasses and a bandana when walking through infested areas. Sometimes, no matter how hard you try to avoid it, you might end up walking through a heavily infested gnat area. To keep them away from your eyes, mouth, and nose, wear a pair of sunglasses and wrap a bandana around your face. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.